Hello dear students, this is the first video of this week, class 6. In this video, I will start chapter number 2, Know Your Computers. In the previous class, we have discussed these topics of chapter 1, classification of computer languages. Programming languages are basically classified into two main categories, low-level language and high-level language. Then we have discussed about difference between analog computers and digital computers. So now coming to this topic. This is chapter number 2. And first we will discuss about introduction to computer. Then basic components of a computer, that is hardware and software. Then we will discuss about functional components of a computer, that is input device, CPU and output device. So let us come to the introduction. A computer is an electronic device or machine that accepts raw data as input, processes the data, and produces the result as output. It is also able to take logical decisions and stores a large amount of data for future use. Now, here the term logical decision. Logical decision means computer is able to check the condition. Computer is able to check the condition whether the condition is true or false. If it finds the condition to be true, it runs the statement. Otherwise, it will terminate the statement. Okay. So only three things are very important. It accepts the data. Computer is an electronic device or machine which accepts the data. Second, it processes the data. And third, it produces the output. And fourth is it can store a large amount of data. So these points are important, and you can write this definition in class 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this is the perfect definition. Now coming to this picture, you can see this is the desktop computer, in which this is known as CPU. This is monitor, keyboard, printer and mouse. You know very well that keyboard and mouse are the two basic input devices. Printer is an output device, and mass storage device. This is a storage device. You can attach this storage device to your CPU and you can store a large amount of data in it. Now, basic components of a computer, that is, one is hardware and another is software. Hardware, the components of a computer which we can touch and feel are known as hardware. For example, keyboard, mouse, monitor, etc. Software, the components of a computer which we cannot touch and feel are known as software. Software consists of programs which instruct the computer about what to do. With the help of software, what we do, we give instruction to the computer and computer will understand our instruction. Okay, so that's why software is very important for doing any work in computer. Some examples of software are MS Paint, Logo, MS Word, etc. Now coming to next topic. Functional components of a computer. Do you know what are the functional components of a computer? In last class you have studied. There are three functional components of a computer: input device, CPU, which is also known as processing device, and third one is output device. Input device, processing device, and output device. One another unit of the computer, that is a storage device. Okay. So what is an input device? An input device is any hardware device that sends data to a computer, allowing you to interact with and control it. You can see an input device is any hardware device that sends data to a computer, allowing you to interact with and control it. To basic input devices are keyboard and mouse. There are many input devices, but keyboard and mouse are the basic input devices. Now, input devices are used to receive input from the user in the form of data. Input devices are used to receive inputs from the user in the form of data. The most commonly used or primarily input devices on a computer are keyboard and mouse. These are also known as basic input devices. Now, you can see some of the popular input devices are keyboard, mouse, scanner, joystick, light pen, etc. So, you know very well what is a scanner. It is used to scan some pictures in your computer. Joystick is used for playing games. Light pen is used to write something on a screen that is scanned in the computer. Okay, for signature or for any another purpose, light pens are used. Now you can see some input devices, pictures of some input devices: keyboard, mouse, joystick, trackball. Trackball is just like a mouse. Okay, a scanner, touch screen. Touch screen is also input device. Webcam, it is also an input device which is used to take your picture. And microphone, it receives audio. Audio sound is entered into the computer with the help of microphone. So these are common input devices of computer. Now coming to CPU, it is known as central processing unit of a computer. It receives the input and processes it to produce the output. All the processing is done inside the CPU. It is able to calculate the result. It is able to process the data. Okay, after processing the data, it produces the result. It produces the output. And there are three parts of a CPU. CU, which is known as control unit, MU, which is known as memory unit, and ALU, which is known as arithmetic and logic unit. ALU is responsible for doing all the arithmetic calculations. Now, coming to the picture, this is the picture of a CPU. When you open the CPU cabinet of your computer, you will find this motherboard. And inside this motherboard, this a square shaped CPU you will found. This is known as the processor of the computer. All the processing will be done inside this CPU. Okay. This is also known as the brain of your computer. Now coming to output device and output device. It is, you can see output device. An output device is any piece of computer hardware equipment which converts information into human readable form. It can be text, graphics, audio, and video. Some of the output devices are visual display units, monitor, printer, speaker, etc. Means after processing the result which the computer produces, that result is known as output, and that result is displayed on the monitor, or it can be printed with the help of printer. You can see. You can also say the output device displays the result of a processing, the output device displays the result of the processing of raw data that is entered in the computer through an input device. Means input device is used to enter the data, processing device processes the data, and output device after processing the data, the result is given to the output device for displaying it. Okay, and there are a number of output devices that display output in different ways, such as text, images, hard copies, audio, and video. Okay, some of the popular devices are, these are the some of the popular devices. Monitor. Okay, there are many types of monitor like CRT, LED, LCD, plasma monitor, etc. Next output device is printer. There are many types of printers also. Third output device is projector. Speaker of the computer is also known as output device. So there can be many output devices. Okay, students, I hope you all have understood the topic very nicely. Thanks for watching this video.